I'm sorry, it's such a beautiful day outside. And you know what? This is Sass. Sass, this is your fault. So, 2 days ago she did a chicken eating video and her crunching is ping-ponging in my head. So I had to get me a quick 3-piece real quick, and you guys may as well join me for dinner. If I can open this without getting gravy all over the place. And then the sun was just right, and then the cloud moved and blasting me in the face, and now I have a shadow, and oh well, sorry. You guys know I just do my best. And that's all I can do, because I'm not going to get rid of a perfectly good video. Oops, don't drop. No, I am not. I got the usual from KFC. Chicken. And potatoes in my biscuit. Okay, get off. Okay, Jiminy Crickets. And it's still very hot. See, unlike y'all, I don't like to eat hot food. I like my food like room temperature. Well, if it's going to burn my tongue, what good is it? I can't enjoy my food. I should have brought some pepper. What did they give me? I don't know. Let's see. I think it's a thigh. I can't tell. And Robert, oops, sorry guys. Guess what I have, Robert? I'm sorry, but that sun will just kill me if I open the blinds all the way. Yep, Dr. Pepper. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Yes, this is, another one of those things where it brings back great childhood memories. We rarely ever got to go out to eat. I mean, I think we got to go to McDonald's like maybe twice a year. If that. We got to go to chicken places more often because that's what Granny wanted to eat. Good memories. Forgot to comb my hair, sorry. I'm so hungry. I said, okay, I'm going to wait and see what everybody's eating on the mukbangs today. And today, most people, well, I saw chicken videos. So I'm like, oh, now I want chicken. Crunchy, crunchy chicken. And Sass, or her $5,000 or whatever, I don't know, microphone system, whatever she has. Sorry, guys. I I'm trying to get better. I really am. Believe it or not. I am. I'm trying. Oh, here's my favorite part. In the back. No, not that little gizzard piece. I'd always take that out and give it to my mom. Or my Nana. They love that little gizzard thing. Ugh. It always looked like caca to me. Sorry. Oh, that is so good. See, when you watch other mukbangers all day long and you want to eat what they're eating because they're eating it. Yeah. Now I just wait and I'm like, okay. 3 o'clock, the lunch crew is over. What time is it? I can't see because the sun. The lunch crew is over. So my food should be hot and fresh. I like around 3 o'clock. I think it's around 3 o'clock. Mm-hmm. 4 o'clock. No, that's not a bone. Oh, okay, maybe that is a bone. Excuse me. Okay. Thank God they always give you plenty of gravy. Mm-hmm. And you guys wonder where that saying come from? I want to sop you up with a biscuit. This is probably where it came from. Not KFC, but I'm just saying. I only ordered a 2-piece. Happy they gave me 3 because I'm hungry. Am I eating another bone? I don't think so. I'm good. I hope you guys can hear that crunching. And she had some good old hibiscus tea with her puff pastry thing. Hibiscus tea is good. Let me just let that soak for a minute. Just let all those soak for a minute. And then I'll no talking, just eat. She was eating tacos and then I wanted tacos. That's terrible. We should not watch mukbangs when we're hungry. Just like you don't go shopping when you're hungry. Yeah, we should not watch mukbangs when we're hungry. Usually I order 2 chicken bowls, one for lunch, one for dinner. Time to do something a little bit different. Oh, I wish I could eat the gristle. I don't know if my dentures will let me do that. Did I get all my chicken? Tomorrow we're back to our vegan meats, you guys. Okay? Let me see if I move you closer, if that'll help. I helped a little bit. I should have thought of that sooner. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't think of that. There. Just right. Not too salty this time. The mashed potatoes. Huh? Last time you would think they let my Aunt Esther make it. I'm thinking her taste buds aren't good, so she always pours a ton of salt, a ton of pepper, a ton of seasoning. You know, don't get me wrong, I like some spicy foods, but if it's too hot, that's the same as eating hot food. I can't really taste the meat if it's a jalapeno between the meat and my tongue. It's just hot. Burning the heck out of my mouth. Not too bad. Though, you know, Popeyes is my favorite choice. It'll do. I ain't complaining. I know, I'm so nosy, huh? Staring at all my neighbors like... Remember the movie Rear Window? Jimmy Stewart and Grace Kelly? I should get that movie. I'm sure it's on Amazon by now for 99 cents. I hope you guys are having as good a day as I am. Yeah, you see I'm eating fast, right? 2 bracelets. 2 pendants. And a couple of pendulums to make. Excuse me. I gotta go by and see how Chunky's doing. I haven't seen her in a minute, and I know she's pregnant. Now, 3 girls, watch. They're gonna have 3 girls, I bet. My favorite part. Yep. That's why I saved it for last. Okay. Now I wash these and I use these containers for shipping. Yes, I do. For real, for real. That even tasted like it had a little bit of garlic in there. Good old Dr. Pepper. It's coming, Robert. Hang on. Sorry, I know it's not much, but I tried, my dear. I tried, but I just couldn't do it. I tried. Or something like that. I don't know. Baby. No. Sorry, Robert. In any case, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Don't forget to be good to you first. Okay? I love you guys. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you for having dinner with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.